Good morning, dear students. I have seen that many of you have solved the sums to find out square root by division method in correct way. But some of you are still having some confusions. So let us revise one more sum today and then we will move for the next topic. Okay. So see, again I have written one question. Find the square root of 3249 by division method. As I have told you yesterday, our very first step is to write down square from 1 to 9 in the margin that I have written. Fine. Then this 3249, this number I have written in the division sign, which is the special division sign for the square root. Then third step we are having is to form the pairs of the number from right side. Correct. We are forming the pairs of the number from right side. Some of you are having doubt that how these pairs are formed. Suppose the number we are having 27,225. This is a 5-digit number. Remember, we are going to find only square root in this lesson. So please don't consider any other thing. At square root we want to find out, we want to form the pairs of the number. Remember only this much thing. So from right side, our first pair is 25, second pair is 72, and third 2. This is not a pair, but the number will remain as it is. It will remain a single digit only. You cannot form the pairs from left side. It will not give you correct answer. Okay? If you will form the pairs from left side, what it will be? It will be 27 as the first pair, 22 as the second pair, and 5 as the last pair, which is wrong. This is the only correct way to form the pairs of the number. Understood, everyone? So I have formed the pair of this 3249 from right side. So for this rightmost pair is 49, and after that before that I'm having 32 as one pair. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now let us start the actual division here. Fine. So first one is 32. As we all know, 32 is a non-perfect square number. So let us check, is there any number near about 32? A perfect square which is near about 32. So after observing these all numbers, I found 25 and 36. This 32 lies between 25 and 36. 32 is a non-perfect square, but 25 is a perfect square and 36 is a perfect square. As 25 is the smaller number, I will consider 25 here. And how we are going to do? We are not going to say the table of 5, but we are going to take the square of 5. Okay. Otherwise, we could do 5, 6 are 30, which is near about number, but this is not the correct way to do. We just want the squares of the number. Understood? So 5 5s are 25. Then our simple subtraction. So answer is, remainder is 7 here. In next step, we want to take the pair down. Why we are going to take the pair down? Because we are going to find out the square root of the number and we cannot take a single digit down. So pair I have taken down. So the next number I got, it is 749. I want to divide this 749 now in next step. Fine. But by which number we are going to divide? For that, this quotient 5 I have added over here, and 5 plus 5, 10. Okay. Now this 10 again I have written on the higher place and I kept one's place vacant here. Why I have kept this one place vacant? Yesterday we have seen I want to place some digit at this place so that we will get a number which is to be divided, by which we will divide this 749. Okay. Now if I will keep 101, means 1, if I will place here, it is 1. 101, 1s are 101. But here 749, it is a very big number as compared to this. One more thing we want to observe, children. Observe its ones place. It is 9. In which squares we can get 9 as the ones place of its product or of its square? So we are having two conditions, either 3 or 7. So instead of checking each and every digit, you can check for these two digits, that is 103 into 3. What is this? 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3. But again it is a very small number, so we have one more possibility, that we will check it with 107. And as 7 we are going to place, we want to multiply it by 7 only. Yesterday we have seen this. So it is 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 ones are 7. This is the exact number which we need here. So I will place 7 at ones place and we will multiply this number by 7 again. So 107 sevens are 749. Here our remainder is 0. It means that in the quotient we have already obtained the square root of the number. So what should be the square root of the number? 57. And how we will cross verify whether our square root is correct or not? 57 2s are 114. It means that our square root is correct. I hope you all understood now. There is no any doubt and queries regarding this finding square root. So now we will move ahead for our next method, next type to find out the square root of the number.